Out with the old. In with the new.
We are here to do a review on the IMOLAZA Smart Sprinkler Control Box. We're going to do the unboxing. Then we're going to set it up and see how it works. So it also has, they claim that you can control it from anywhere in the world. It's got an app on Google Play and Apple Store. So first thing that's in here are some stickers to identify each zone, which is nice. And it comes with its manual. This one's a 4-zone. It also comes with a tin plate. This is the first sprinkler clock box that I've owned that actually comes with a mounting tin plate, which is nice. Okay, so then we got the actual clock. I like the look of it. It's nice and sleek. It's where you put your wires that go to each zone. You've got your power cord. Comes with some screws to mount it and a screwdriver. So remember that the common is brown here. We're gonna go boom, boom, and boom. I'm gonna cheat a little. It's a little trick for you guys who don't have a drill. Is that where I really put that? Okay. One right there. One right there. And then unloosen number 1, number dose, number trace. I'm going to tighten this back down, pull on it, it's snug. We're going to go white, number 1. Okay, got your power cord. All right, got my 1, 2, 3 zone in, and now we're gonna put my common Electra. See what I did there? Okay. Cap on. Let's go. Okay, compared to these old clocks, you got so many buttons, manual, clear. Someone drew a line on here because their knob fell off. That's embarrassing. But for real though, it's super simple. There's only 4 buttons. So they make it super simple to use. I don't know if you can see this, but just next, play, and then zone 1 kicks on. Super simple. Super simple. If I want it off, I hit off, it stops. They make it super comprehensive. Love that. So on here, we're showing you today how easy it is to turn it on, and if you wanted to test it quick, if you just wanted to do a quick test, or if you want just a specific zone done. As you can see, I'm on the app, and I'm going to click which zone I want, which is zone 2, and then you just hit quick test, and it will run.